Oh, hey everybody, welcome to Minecraft with Desire. As you see, I think I finished my house. Oh no, really no. As you see, let me know in the comments down below if you like my house. Oh my god, this is so loud. And just took a screenshot. And then another one. Well, I'm gonna take a screenshot. Well, I'm gonna take a. Okay. Okay, there we go. I was taking screenshots for no reason. Oh, it's not time. So yeah, hopefully this episode. Oh my god, this is so loud. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this episode, hopefully we can. Oh, now it's so low. Well, I guess that's how you take pictures on everything. So yeah, guys, this episode hopefully will be 20 minutes. I'm hoping, and got shares. And my thing is frozen. Oh, there we go. Still frozen. There we go. Hey, my camera's in there. Yeah. Oh, this too big. Here we go. Move it over here. Make it a little bigger. I need to make a path. Probably. I'm gonna try to learn how to line string. Oh yeah, guys. I finally can upload videos more than 15 minutes. And oh my god, this is so laggy. I'm gonna try it. I watched a video and I can upload videos more than 20 minutes. And that's awesome, guys. And that's so awesome. I really don't want these, but I just want the vines. I'm gonna start a vine farm. So yeah, and I'm gonna have a, what is it called? I forgot what it was called, but I'm gonna have this thing. So, I think it's yeah, thumbnail. So yeah, I'm gonna have some thumbnails. I want like epic on my thing. And oh my god, it's so laggy. And on Twitter, I put I'm live. I'm finna record a video. That's why I'm recording that video now in 30 seconds. I just put in 30 seconds. Hopefully. Oh yeah, guys, in the description down below, make sure you don't forget to like. Yeah, stuff. So I'm gonna have what is it called? I'm gonna have the link to the description so you can get this, and I might make a tutorial how to get it. Oh my god, why is it so? Oh, let me check that. Oh, there you go. It should be fine now. So yeah, I'm gonna have the link down below how to get this. Dang, that's that quick. So yeah, hopefully we can start on my room. Matter of fact, no, we're not gonna do this episode. Make sure you guys comment down below. I'm gonna make it to this thing. Yeah, make sure you guys comment down below where I'm gonna build my room. Should it be up here or should I make a separate room over here? Oh my god, this is laggy. Okay. I know what it is. It's small position. That's why I probably. So working. Yeah, guys, I might have like my hand in the camera a lot. Okay. Okay. So yeah, what I was talking about, I'm going to have some thumbnails. No. I'm going to have thumbnails in my video, and yeah, I might build my house here. I don't know. Well, not my house, like, yeah, because I'll circle it up. Let me get this wood. Please don't tell me I don't have a thing on here. Oh my god, I have to go in the house. Oh, let me put these finders up. So I might like copy this over to over here, but then again, it's not that even. But yeah, I don't want the heading. Oh my god, something happened to my face cam. Well, I'm not gonna stop the episode right now. So, oh yeah, this lets you know why I was so quiet. I was thinking of something. Sorry guys if you can't hear my parents and my grandmama. Okay, I'm gonna fix my bridge. Duh. Now I lag it again. Oh my god. They didn't really need to add crouch, cause this stuff is hard. So yeah guys, if you went to Cougar's game today, the Cougars lost. Yeah. This is my first year going to at my school. The school went on a field trip for making your AR roll. Oh. Made it. Yeah, that's my grandma like, hey. She like, hey. Oh my god, so annoying. Nope. Oh well. I really don't have this episode planned. I'm gonna do a little bit of mining, and then I'm gonna like get all that stuff because that's what I came in for. Come on. I found some redstone over there. I was digging and stuff. I'm gonna dig around here. Dig around here for some diamonds. Come on, diamonds. Oh my god. Why? Oh my god, my thing is lagging. Come on, how long was it recording? 9 minutes. I want. Oh, there you go. A little bit over here. See if I find some diamonds. Nope, nothing there. Still nothing. I have bad luck with diamonds. I never get to find diamonds. It's hard for some reason. Oh, that's it. So I'm gonna go get that pick. Well, not the pick, the axe. I'm gonna get that wood. Random craft table, okay? Not weird. Random chair right here. Just got coal. Nope. Just coal. This is where I found iron at. How was that possible? You cannot do that in Pocket Edition. You only can do that on PC or console. How's that? Oh my god. So yeah, let me get that pick, because I promise you could. Ooh. That's bad. Oh my god, that was a huge lag. Okay, here we go. Okay. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. My grandma's happy because her library's coming. We call him library because he is so light. And she loves him. He's so cute. One time I was holding him up and he threw up on me. Yeah, this is him. Oh. Hey. Wait, what time? Oh, in a little while I'm going to play my Xbox, but I'm not going to record a video. Okay. Why don't let's go this way, and there's a whole way over there. Oh my god, really, Zion? Oh, you guys, just to let you know, I upgraded my channel. That's how I got all that stuff. Guys, let's reach 10 likes this video. 20 views. And if you guys, let me make a deal with you. If you guys get the 10 or more than that views, I will have the thing in the description down below. How about that? Good deal. Or I just might have it up in there in the description. I think I want to have a village, kind of, instead of my hobbit hole. I don't think this might be my temporary house, because this is kind of small. Oh, guys, this is laggy. At first, I was going to have another section over there going to my house, but I covered it. But if it was on my console or PC, I gotta have this stuff right here and a piston to open, and then I go in my room. You're so beautiful. Did you give the world a show? Did you? I love you so much. Yeah, I love you so much. Yeah, let's go dating. That's cool. She's so cute. She doesn't know because I pick who. Actually, we might go out. I got a chance. I have a 50% chance or more. Okay, so next episode we're gonna be playing for everything. I want to make a fishing dock. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this episode. So guys, if you're not comment down below, I'm just build it wherever I want to. You got 2 episodes to comment down below, and I will give you a shout out whoever idea likes or to build it. And if you know Stamping knows, I know him. So yeah, I will, if you like him, I will tell you guys, I will let you guys get a shot, take a picture of him or something. I'll tell him put you in his love garden. Okay. Okay, go up in there, okay. Go up in there. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna tell him to do that. And guys, if you want it, if you really want it, and you really want to show it, clap your hands. They was doing that at the Cookers game, if I haven't mentioned it. So probably next episode we're gonna finish it, but if we don't finish it by the time this episode, well, look, I'm gonna finish it next episode. Okay. I just heard a bat. I'm gonna see you next to the cave, real close. I wish you can crouch. I've been wanting them to add that for a while. Where's my X? And next episode, we might we might make the bridge. We'll go to 18 minutes, almost 20. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get ready to end this episode in 2 minutes. Whoa. Oh, what? Need more. So yeah, I know what I'm gonna do with my what is it called? My room, like how I'm gonna design it. Oh, the boys play today? I don't know. Yeah, that's where my grandma's talking about the bulls. Okay, now it's even. Now I need to go get some fences. So it was recording in 19 minutes, about to be 20. Sticks. How do you make the what's names again? Oh. It would. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I let you down. I know it's my responsibility. I'm sorry. So yeah, guys, this is not going to be the whole duck. This is just temporary. Until I get one. Like, make a real one. So yeah, guys, I'm going to end the episode with 20 minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more. If you guys subscribe, it will really help my channel, so thank you. Aye aye. SpongeBob pants. So yeah. Don't forget to check out my sister's channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Bye.